Here is an enhancement to CAMWorks 2016 that will automatically create the operations required to drill a hole that will then be used as an entry point to start the VoluMill tool paths for rough milling. In this example, there are some pockets we want to rough mill using CAMWorks VoluMill. First, I will edit the rough mill operation parameters. Go to the Roughing tab, edit the VoluMill options, and set the entry method to use pre-drilled holes. Next, I'll go to the Feature Options tab and set the entry method to use an entry hole. A SolidWorks sketch has been created to specify the entry hole locations. So now I'll select the point in the sketch where I want the entry hole to be drilled. When you click OK to accept the changes to the operation, CAMWorks 2016 automatically creates a center drill and drilling operation for the entry hole, and CAMWorks VoluMill automatically uses the entry hole location to start the tool paths for rough milling the pocket. Here I have created a single pocket, but because it will be roughed in two different regions, it will need two separate entry points. Once again, I will edit this operation, change the VoluMill options to allow for pre-drilled holes, and set my entry method to entry hole. Thanks to this new enhancement, I can now select an entry point for each region. Here we can also select a strategy for machining the entry holes. You can also create your own strategy for machining entry holes, store it in the technology database, and it will be added to this pull-down list for you to use in the future. Once again, we say OK to create the operation. The operations are created automatically to center drill and drill both the entry holes, and CAMWorks VoluMill automatically starts its toolpath for each region at the entry hole locations. Thank you for watching this video on the CAMWorks 2016 enhancement that automatically adds pre-drilled holes for CAMWorks VoluMill rough milling operations. To review, we have in the CAMWorks VoluMill dialog box used the new pre-drilled holes entry method option. Then on the Feature Options tab, we selected entry hole as the entry method. We then selected the strategy for machining our entry holes, and then selected the location for our entry holes.